Now we use our K518 Pro to program the 2023 Leapmotor C01. The white key is the original key. This key without a shell is the new key. It's a universal wired remote. We're gonna use the K518 Pro to program these keys, after deleting all the keys. Let's do it. Select Leapmotor. Select C01 PEPS. Select key count. The count of key is 2. We choose all key lost. Attention, this function will delete all program key, and all the working key need to be programmed. According to the instruction, the current number of keys is now 0. All the key have been deleted. Enter key learning mode. Press and hold unlock button for 2 seconds. Press and hold lock button for 2 seconds. OK, program completed. The current number of keys is 1. Now we're gonna add this key to the car. Program key doesn't need to program again. The current number of keys is 1. Press the unlock button and lock button once. Press and hold unlock button for 2 seconds. Press and hold lock button for 2 seconds. OK, program completed. The current number of keys is 2. Whether to program next, cancel. We just need to program keys. Now let's try the remote control. The new key lock. Unlock. It'll be more obvious if we look in the rearview mirror. Lock. Unlock. Original car key. Lock and unlock. OK, normal. Now let's see if we can start up properly. This car doesn't have a start button. Step on the brake. OK. This car is charging with the charging gun. That's why we hit the brakes. The instrument light is already on. The door is not closed, so the steering wheel is not allowing you to move now. Programming 2023 Leapmotor C01 Smart Keys with the K518 Pro success.